What's going on, guys? Ian here with another new video, and it is that time of year again. Manufacturers are sending out their retro gaming equipment, and today I have got something that takes me right back to the 80s. I remember when I was a kid, everyone in the schoolyard had one of these. We are talking about the Nintendo Game & Watch. The new version has a full colour screen and has Super Mario Brothers and Super Mario Bros. 2 on there. You've also got Ball and the Time as well. Of course, the originals back in the 80s had an LCD screen and had very basic games. This one has a little bit more, but we do have that retro ball game on there, and we're going to take a look at this bad boy. I'm quite excited. This one has been sat waiting for me to film this video for about 3 weeks. I should have filmed this ages ago, and haven't had time. And it looks pretty simple. It should be a simple video. It should be a short video. We're going to have a quick overview and my initial thoughts on this device. So let's get this bad boy open. Okay, so we do have this plastic sleeve on the packaging. We'll just take this sticker off here, and that should just... Nope, because there's one on the other side as well. There we go, and that should just slide out there. And that shows us the original style game, which is on the device, which is Ball. Superb packaging, lovely golden packaging, and it's gonna take us right back. So we have USB-C to USB cable, instructions, and here is the main event, the Nintendo Game & Watch. That is pretty cool looking. Certainly takes me back. Not as heavy as I remember. I seem to remember the originals were made, and they always seem like a metal. That I'm not sure if that is metal or plastic, but it certainly feels robust. We've got USB-C for charging and the power button on the side, and then on the front we've got our 3 buttons there, which are game, time and pause set, multi-directional controller, and buttons A and B, and that is pretty much it. That looks like a speaker on the side there. So if we get this thing turned on, and there we go. Let's have a look at the games. So we've got options between Super Mario, Super Mario Bros. 2 and Ball. We'll try them all out. So we'll start with Super Mario Bros. And it's not a bad representation at all. The screen looks pretty good, and it's nice to see full colour display on one of these things. So that is pretty impressive. I never was the best at these games, and as you can see here, I'm really pretty much struggling, but the game is pretty much as I remember, and it's one of those things. I'll probably get the hang of it after a little while, but it's been a long time since I played this game. Okay, so now let's try Super Mario Bros. 2. There we go, Super Mario Bros. 2, and again, the game's play seems pretty good. The controller's very responsive. The emulation is very good on both games so far. And I'm pretty happy with this overall. And there we go, dead again. And finally, let's have a go on Ball. And this is one of the traditional style games, and we'll see. We'll try game A and see if we can get a high score. Now, just before I actually filmed this section, I managed to get a high score of 59. Let's see if we can beat it here. 2 so far, so we are got a long way to go. There we go, 3, 4. Oops. So, final thoughts on the Nintendo Game & Watch. Well, this comes in at about £50 here in the UK. Certainly not cheap by any means, but it will certainly take you back to a time when these handheld games were a thing. And for anyone of my age group, it is probably a nice little bit of retro kit that you can keep and display. It is nice to see the new full colour display, and for £50, definitely not cheap. but it is it's a nice bit of retro gaming in your hand. And if they ever get to the point where these things can be hacked and you can put additional games on it, which at the moment you can't, that will make it even better in my opinion. So thanks very much for watching. Very quick review of this device. I think it's nice, I think it's easy to use. I do think it is a little expensive for what it is, but yeah, Nintendo have done it again. They've come out with something that is pretty good. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you're either new to the channel or haven't done so already. That way I can see you for another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Waterfall out.